Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular JCB over here. So now what we'll be doing over here is let's continue with the modeling part. So I'll just go over here and shuffle this a bit more down over here. Can select this. Okay, that's totally fine. Select this part and let's duplicate it over here. So we can just duplicate this part in this way. And now if you want, again I'll take a cylinder over here, slightly increase its sides over here. I'll just push this and let's go into modify and slightly increase its radius and slightly increase its height. So we can do that stuff. Alright. Push this over here. Okay. So few things. Again, I'll go into this. Let's take a line over here. So I'll just put one line over here and rendering, enabling viewport, and slightly if required you can slightly reduce the radius over here, so that can be done. And now slightly just push this out a bit, right click, refine this. So let's put a bit of refine over here and I'll just shuffle this and this way. So we can do such changes if required. Slightly increase its thickness and go into interpolation and slightly increase its sides. Again, convert to editable poly, select the polygons and isolate this. And extrude it by local normal and I'll click OK over here. Perfect. Now if you see this over here, let's again take a rectangle. So I'll go to the front view. I made a rectangle, convert to editable spline, select the vertices, and now let's go into this and slightly give a bit of fillet to it. Let's give an extrude modifier. So we'll slightly just assign an extrude modifier. So I'll again push this over here and slightly scale this. Okay, so now we can rotate it a bit in this way. Let's make this as local and make a copy of it. That's it. Alright. Again, take a line over here. Let's take a line. And increase its thickness over here. Select this, push this down, make this as local. Okay, that's already local, that's totally okay. Push this up, convert to editable poly. Select this polygons, slightly just bevel it, click OK. Now again go over here, let's again take one more rectangle. Let's create a rectangle. See, there are a lot of details, so if we keep on making each and everything, is going to take time definitely, and we are going to make that all. So again go over here and let's give an extrude modifier, push this over here, shuffle this, so let's again take a line, drag it in this way, and this is, oops, okay, so we need to place this, so let's just place this till here. So now again you can take a line, so let's just drag it in this way. Okay, now this looks much better, and enabling viewport, so you can make it a bit thicker in this way. So select this, push this inside, shuffle this and keep it in this way. So you can just manage these details in this way. That can be done. Now save the file once. Again select this, convert to poly, and slightly just extrude it by local normal. Click OK. select the edges, press R, and slightly you can scale it if required. So multiple things. Now we can again take a duplicate of it and let's place it over here. So I'll slightly just increase the size, push it out. I'll again increase the size. Push this out. Alright. So we can just place these things over here in this way. So we have one more joint over here which we'll be utilizing. I think this needs also to be a bit bigger. We can just slightly increase it size the same way, increase its size. Okay. Now again let's press shift and duplicate it over here. So we can just duplicate this part. So there are multiple details. So very first of all, I can just again go over here. I can just join this if required. Slightly just push this out. So select this. First save the file and convert to editable poly, and let's just attach it with this part. So isolate this stuff and we can put a loop over here. So if you see this, we will be closing this. We need to close this stuff from down, because there we also need to close this part from here. So we can just select this and convert to poly, and you can just attach it with this. So how we can close this is like if you just click and directly close it, that can also be done, but before that select this and if you bridge it, it's going to close in this way. Now select the polygons, select the polygons over here, select this way, so we exclude this stuff. So this is going to be a bit tricky. So you don't need to select this part, make sure don't select that. Just select this much of it and isolate this, and you can just delete this part. Same way, again let's move down till here and let's delete this stuff. Okay, much better. So the only problem would be like this is now the open shape. Now you need to just select this and bridge it. You cannot bridge this, so you need to attach this. You need to attach it. Alright, we won't use this, we'll use another technique over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So I can do one thing, I can just go into the cut, I can just use a cut over here. I can just use a cut. So before that, we are using a cut, you need to put something over here. So you don't have any kind of segments over here. So for closing this part, you need some connects over here. So let's again so you need to close all of this properly. Alright, so we'll close this in this way, then we'll put one loop, then we'll bridge this element. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.